Hello traders and welcome to the Market Open Preview of May 22nd on a Thursday, 2014. Welcome traders, and it's great to be with you. Beautiful sunny skies and baking hot here in Pattaya, Thailand. It is just another beautiful day and another great trading day ahead. Lots of stuff going on. Let's get to it, and before we get started, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday and I am your moderator today. We'll be talking about a couple of currency pairs, we're going to talk about some news, and then I'll give you a slight commentary. But before we get that, let me just tell you that I have been trading since 2006 and 2008. I retired from the Fire Rescue Department in Palm Beach County, Florida. And 9 days after I retired, I got on the Big Bird, came to Thailand on a tourist visa for a vacation, and traders, in 2014, I am still here, loving retirement and trading full-time in the Forex markets since that landing in Bangkok. All right, let's get to some news, but before we do that, let's run over here and take a look at our risk disclaimer. Traders, Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets or any other markets. Traders, do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. If you are trading your expense money or your mortgage money, please sit back, take a deep breath, and think what you're doing, and maybe you should open up a demo account until you can trade the Forex markets comfortably and stress-free. All right, traders, let's get over to today's news events. We have in the European session, we have some high-impact news coming out. We have German manufacturing PMI. We got UK GDP year-on-year and quarter-on-quarter. Before the New York Open, we have core retail sales out of Canada. And in the US session, we have existing home sales. Traders, those are all high-impact news data, so please make a note of them and put them on your trading station. And if you're in trades, please protect yourself before the data comes out. Traders, I guess it's time. How about you say, off to the charts? Let's go. Okay, first pair we're going to look at today is the dollar CAD. This is the daily chart. Traders, I know you're saying, William, you must be crazy. No, I'm not crazy. This is in a bullish trend. It's had some pullbacks. It's gone sideways. But the CAD, if you took this chart and really stretched out, you would see this is absolutely in a bullish trend. Okay, so what are we going to do here? If you were trading the daily chart, you would wait for the bounce off of the 200 exponential moving average. As you can see, it did that 2 days in a row and then took off again. And now for the last 4 days, we have higher highs and higher lows. So we're up in the bull side of the market. Traders, one thing to realize about the dollar CAD is that the dollar CAD is correlated with the pound dollar. So if the CAD is going up, the pound should be going down, and that's not what we're seeing right now. The pound dollar is extremely, extremely bullish. So a little bit of a tug of war going on over there, but we'll take a look at it as the days come on. We'll see what's going to happen with the pound, if it's going to settle off or it's just been roaring, and what an ATM machine that currency pair has been over the last 4 to 5 weeks. All right, let's move over to the 1 hour chart. Here's a 1 hour chart. We had a bullish move on the CAD yesterday. I'm looking at price action right now in this video. It's approximately 2.5 hours before the London Open, and price action right now is at a great spot on this hourly chart to take this to the long side. Hopefully the two candles that we're going to get preceding this video will not have much of a difference, and we'll get our entry, and we're just looking to take this long. This is an hourly chart, so our drawdown's a little bit more. We're going to need to put the drawdown, basically our stop loss, underneath that 200 exponential moving average, being the green line on my chart. So this trade is ready to go, and pretty excited. I think this is going to work out really nice, probably at the beginning of the London Open. I'm really not eager to take this trade in the inactive time zone between Asia and London. All right, let's go over to the 15-minute chart. If you're trading the 15-minute chart, we do have a trade setup. The issue now is that the trade setup is right now. And we're looking at 4 to 6 candles before the London Open. And I don't know if we're going to stay here or if this is going to pop below the 200 exponential moving average. If it does, this trade plan's out the window. Forget it. We want to see price above the 200, and we want to see a bullish candlestick pattern. We want to take this long to 1.0940, which is the resistance that you can see on the chart that I placed up there. So that's what we're looking for, traders. We're looking to long the USD CAD. All right, let's go over to another pair. Let's take a look at the Euro New Zealand. Nice trading pair lately. This pair is in a bearish downtrend. You can see it's probably a half a month, but look at that. Nice bounce off of that 200 exponential moving average. Came nicely down. What a beautiful sight that is. Look at your Williams R percentage indicator on the bottom of the chart. Nice move to the downside there on this daily chart. So really looks nice. Let's see what we have on the 1 hour chart. Euro New Zealand 1 hour chart, traders. Look at this. We do not want to sell into this 200 exponential moving average. You would agree with me on that? The other issue is look at your Williams R percentage indicator on the bottom of the chart. It looks like it's starting to come to the side. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that. Now, how are we going to work this? Well, the only way you can really do this is you're going to need this to pull back as close to that upper Bollinger Band and then look to trade this back to that 200 exponential moving average, or let it break the 200 exponential moving average, close. You'd really like to see a retest of the 200. If you don't get the retest, you can enter the short trade, but your stop's got to be above that 200 exponential moving average, because there's a good chance at some point it's going to retest before it takes your position to the short side to your take profit area. So the trade plan is on this 1 hour chart, take it at the upper Bollinger Band, so you're trading into support and you'll be safe, or close below the 200 exponential moving average, retest, now it's resistance, and we want to sell at resistance. So that's what we would do. All right, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. Traders, we are at the sweet spot. Just wait for that pullback on the Euro New Zealand on the 15-minute chart. Let's get as close to that 200 exponential moving average, which is at 1.5958, and we'll take that short. We can't do anything now. We're late. The boat's left the dock, and this thing is moving on. So not a lot we can do at the moment, as our time is in the inactive zone. Asia has been open for some time now, and there's really not a lot we can do. All right, traders. Traders, before I go, I'd like to mention to you that the indices have all overnight, and in electronic trading is all positive. Everybody is in the green. The S&P 500 futures, the NASDAQ 100 futures, the Dow 30, the DAX, the FTSE 100, the Nikkei 225, and the dollar index, traders, are all in positive ranges right now. Traders, I would like to thank you, myself, and on behalf of FXCL Excellence in Trading, for joining me today for another educational video with the Market Open Preview, brought to you every trading day before the London Open. Traders, have a great trading day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care, traders, and bye-bye.